Hello, people. There's this movie Mardani 2 that was released, and it's like Vishal Jethwa is the actor who, uh, is, I won't say he's the hero of the film, he's the villain of the film, but oh my god, what a stellar performance! Yeah, it just takes your breath away. So, I mean, Rani Mukherjee is, of course, the whole and soul of the film, but for a newcomer, Vishal Jethwa, I mean, it's his first outing on the big screen, I guess. Brilliant film. So just go and watch it, people. Mardani too, because certain movies they open your mind to the world around. This is one of those films. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Okay, come here. Ray. No, you all can come and come. No, no, no. I have my own.